Hi guys, welcome to our channel Sweetie Salty. I am Sweetie.
Your name is Soundarya, right?
Yeah, my name is Soundarya as well. So in our channel Sweetie Salty, it's about fun videos, skincare, vlog, and different fun things which happen in my life. So without much further delay, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my morning skincare routine, what all products I use on a daily basis. I hope you like it. So guys, I just woke up now and hi y'all. So let's start our day. So the first thing I do in the morning is obviously wash my hand with a nice hand wash. It's extremely important during this pandemic to keep our hands clean. So after that, I brush my teeth and I start my day like everyone else. It is the basic thing which everyone does. So now I'm gonna take a quick shower. See you soon. So guys, I'm done with my shower. So after my shower, I use the Venusia body lotion and I apply it all over my hands and legs. It is very important to moisturize your legs and your hand during any season, let it be during winter or summer. It's a very important step and I'm very obsessed with creams. So the first step I use is a face wash. I use the AHA Glow face wash every day. So now I wash my face with the water. I use lukewarm water, normal tap water to wash my face. Now I take a small portion of my face wash and I mix it little bit with water. I take a little portion of my face wash and now I'm just mixing it and applying it on my face and massaging it properly to take care of all my pimples, marks, dark circles and everything, and also dirt and dust on my face. It's very important to scrub your face in a circular motion during this process so that it takes care all of your pimples and acne mark. I follow CTM routine, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So first I use a nice face wash to wash my face, and after that I use a nice toner, and then I use a nice moisturizer to moisturize my face. Now let's wash our face. Guys, the next step I do is I use the Everyuth walnut scrub. I don't do it on a daily basis, but I do it once in a week to remove all the dullness and the tan from my face. So I take a little portion of my scrub and I scrub it in my hands, and then we massage it on our face. The same step like the face wash, I just use it all over my face and I scrub it for about a minute to remove all of the tan, dullness, pimples from my face. It's very important to use a scrub once in a week to remove all of your tan, dullness and wrinkles also sometimes from your face to get a clear skin. So I massage my scrub for a minute and I do it really well. So now let's wash our face. So the next step I do is I use the nice Gulab Jal rose water and I use this as a toner. Now I spray it all over my face. It is the amazing process. I just love this step in my skincare routine. It feels so cool and calming. So it's very important to use a toner on your face so that to maintain the pH level of your skin, it's really important to use a toner. And now I just apply it well on my face. It takes care of all your pores, wrinkles and sometimes even acne also. So I just leave it to dry. Now I use the Cetaphil moisturizer. It's very important to use a moisturizer on a daily basis. It takes care of all your pores and dryness of your face. So now I took a little portion of the Cetaphil moisturizer and I massage it all over my face. It's very important to massage it on your face so that the moisturizer go deep into your skin and takes care of all the dryness and dullness of your skin. It gives a smooth finish and keeps you day long fresh and nice. So now I massage it all over my face. I also apply it on my neck to keep it hydrated. The next step I use Jade Roller. It's very important to use a jade roller in the morning. It takes care all of your puffiness and keeps your skin thin and clear. I use it in an upward direction. It's very important, as I said, because early in the morning as we wake up we have a puffy eyes and puffy face. So I use it in an upward direction, especially on my cheeks, on my forehead. It's very important and it's extremely relaxing also. So I use it on my cheeks in an upward direction. I massage my face with the jade roller for a minute. It's extremely relaxing and calming while using a jade roller. It takes care of all your stress and it's very relaxing, especially in the morning if you do. It's a good start for your day. Now I do it in the eye area. I use it in a circular motion, especially in the eye area. It takes care of all the puffiness in around your eye, and it is also very soothing and calming. And also you have to do it very gently around the eye area. Again, I do it around my eyes. It's very relaxing and it takes care of all the puffiness around my face. The last part in my skincare routine is VLCC Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. It's very important in our skincare routine to use lip balm because it takes care of all the chapped lips and dryness in the lips. I use it on a daily basis and it gives you a smooth and soft finish and keeps your lips hydrated. That's it, guys. Bye. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about my channel, don't forget to click on the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And if you wanted to know more about me, don't forget to follow my Instagram page, SweetieSalty7. Until then, this is Sweetie signing off. Take care. Bye.